Hello friends, today I am going to show you edit and collection modules in which what are menu items available and some important menus details I will tell you. In credit and collection, very important module in Dynamics 365 finance and operations. First, customers, in which all customers you will see the list of all customers. You can enter or create new customer in your module. Customer on hold, whatever customer is on hold on which you cannot invoice the sales order and other journals under that customer if it is hold, and customer past due, customer unmerged, customer credit group. Next menu is collection. In this you will see aged balances, collection cases, collection activities. Next is credit management hold list. All credit holds, open credit holds, closed credit holds, close hold due for review. Then credit limit adjustment, interest, set up interest code, create interest code, review and process, interest journal, interest note report. Then collection letter. In this setup, collection letter sequence, create collection letters, post collection letters, review and process collection letter journals and report. This is payment module, very important, on which you can make customer payment journals, whatever assigned to you, and payment transfer. Bill of exchange, draw bill of exchange journals, protest bill of exchange journal, redraw bill of exchange journal, remittance journal, settle bill of exchange journal. Then these are the periodic tasks on which you can update financials, customer balances, and customer account statement, reimbursement. Then credit management, force credit hold, calculate balance statistics, update risk score. Now after that, inquiries and reports. These are the reports available. And main report is customer aging report, balance list report, and customer report. Account statement is also very important, which most of the people are using. Then payments related things are there, in which bill of exchange journal. These are the reports you can see here. Then credit management reports, customer balance status, insurance and guarantees. After that, you will see the setups under this module: account receivable parameter, credit and collection parameter, credit management workflow, credit region code, customer region code, customer write off region code, setup interest node codes, customer post, collection agents. Then customer group is very important, and you can create customer profile under this. Customer posting profiles, aging period definition. Then credit management setup, in which blocking rules, rank payment term, rank settlement discount, and risk, insurance and guarantee. After that, some forms you can see here. In which form node, form setup, form sorting. These are the modules on which important module I already told you. You can try. In this video purpose is only show the whatever features available in the credit and collections. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.